Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool number line, specifically working with fractions. We have a problem related to TEKS 3.3h, and we'll solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have Lucas and Emma. They each have slices of pizza. The slices are the same size. Lucas eats 2/6 and Emma eats 5/6. All right, so we need to compare how much they ate. Thankfully, we have the same denominator, so both of them are going to eat sixths. So what we could do is we could just draw one number line here, and it's going to be easy to show it on one number line simply because we're using the same denominator. This number line needs to be broken up into 6 equal pieces. So I'm going to cut it in half. So I've got halves. I'm going to cut each half into thirds. I'm just going to use kind of my spatial sense to kind of estimate that. So these are my six now, because 2 times 3 makes 6. Lucas eats 2/6, so I'm going to label this as 1/6. Here's my 2/6. So this is Lucas right here, and I'll just write his name underneath. I can keep going with 3/6, 4/6, and then 5/6. Now the slices are the same size. The pizzas therefore are the same size. 5/6 is going to be Emma. And what we need to do now is we need to compare what they have here. Now, before we get into the words, this is pretty easy to compare because they're both eating sixths. Lucas eats 2 pieces of his pizza, so 2/6. Emma is going to eat 5 pieces, or 5/6. And so you can see the farther away from zero you are, the greater your amount, and Emma is much farther away from zero. So 5/6 is going to be greater than 2/6. But we have to put it in a different way. We can say 5/6 is greater than 2/6. And so this 5/6 is going to be Emma. And then this 2/6 is going to be Lucas. But look, they started with Lucas, so we need to flip this around. We also can say that 2/6 Lucas is going to be less than 5/6 Emma. So both of these statements are true. You notice the opening is pointing to 5/6 either way because that's the larger amount. Remember when we first learned about this in first grade, we would draw little teeth and talk about the alligator eating the larger piece. So you could take these inequalities and flip them around. And as long as the opening is pointing to the same fraction, it's good either way. So Lucas eats, and I've got red. So less pizza, more pizza, or the same amount of pizza. Well, Lucas right here is going to eat less than. So let's say less pizza than. If we were on the star test, this would be a drag and drop. But sometimes in drag and drops, you cannot put all the choices into all of the boxes. So this is one of those restricted drag and drops to where you can only choose from the first three for this first box. And then you've got 3 that you can choose for the green. So Lucas eats less pizza than Emma because why? 2/6 are less than 5/6. Well, that's what we have right here, right? 2/6 are less than 5/6. 2/6 are greater than 5/6. No, they're less. And 2/6 are not equal to 5/6. All right, so when we're comparing fractions, it's a little bit more challenging when they have the same numerator and the same denominator. But in this case, when they have the same denominator, it's pretty easy. 2/6 are less than 5/6, just like 2 cars are less than 5 cars, and 2 rocks are less than 5 rocks. 6 are simply the unit. So we will say 2/6 are less than 5/6. All right, so now we have our statement. Lucas eats less pizza than Emma because 2/6 are less than 5/6. That is our answer. And if this were on star, it'd be a 2-point problem.